Okay guys, this is the, I don't know what you call it. It looks like a pirate desk, but it is for my friend Annie, who is big into tech, and she's actually helped me get all my social medias up and going. So I'll show you how it is. On the sides you've got your plugs and your USBs, and they come to a plug here, and this is going to go into the wall, and there's one on either side. And then you've got your big drawer in the front, and then, because I always have to have a hidden compartment, it's got a hidden compartment here where she can keep all of her vegan snacks. Right here, here's another one. Just have the little button latches on those. And then on the very back, because it's going to have computers and monitors and everything, and to hide all the wiring, underneath here is a little latch, and you got your plugs and your USBs, so you can put all of our modems and everything in here, and then it's just up out of the way. So that's it. That's all I know.